With 136.64 crore netizens, India is one of the most populated country in the world, second only to China having population of 139 crore people. And according to reports from the United Nations, about 273 million more people will be added in India by 2050, making it world's most populated country. In India, population is a very serious issue. Domestic population growth is adding to conflicts over water, energy, food, open space, wilderness, transportation, infrastructure, schools, and numerous other problems. And especially in developing countries like India, large family size is a major cause of poverty and poor health. With more than 30% people below poverty line today, India is having serious concerns over population problem. So, do we think India need a two-child policy? In today's segment of What's Your Vichar, we'll be sharing my take on should India have two-child policy. Hemant Biswa Sarma, जो कि असम के चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, he said that state government will impose two-child policy which will have population regulation scheme, but this scheme will not be implemented on Chai Bagan and SC/ST community. Hemant Biswa Sarma also a few days ago appealed to the minority Muslim community. They should show their concern over population rise. On 15 अगस्त 2019 को प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने भी पॉपुलेशन के ऊपर कंसर्न्स जताए थे।
और वो विषय है हमारे यहाँ बेतहाशा जो जनसंख्या विस्फोट हो रहा है। ये जनसंख्या विस्फोट हमारे लिए, हमारी आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए अनेक नए संकट पैदा करता है।
उसी समय 2019 में असम में भी ऐसा ही एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पास किया गया था। अगर हम एवरेज फैमिली साइज ऑफ असम को देखें तो इट इज 5.5। इन 2001 द एवरेज पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी इन असम वाज 340. By 2011 it was risen up to 398, which shows that Assam's population is increasing very rapidly. Unemployment rate in Assam is 15.6, which is more than the national average. If we talk about the reports of advocating reproductive choices, तो उनके हिसाब से असम की फर्टिलिटी रेट 1.9% है, जो कि नेशनल एवरेज 2.2% से काफी कम है. Moreover, they said that 77% of married women and 15 to 49-year-old men don't want to have more children now. But Assam की opposition parties like AIUDF are saying that Hemant Biswa Sarma, being the 8th child of the family, are hypocritically targeting the Muslim community for the population rise. UP's Vidhi Ayog also proposed a similar contract, saying that there will be less opportunities for people having more than 2 kids. In 1976, Congress also gave the similar nara of Hum Do, Hamare Do, but this was not necessity at that moment, and it was just to spread awareness among the people about the population rise. July 2019 में भी राज्यसभा में राकेश सिन्हा अपने निजी विधेयक के रूप में और MP गिरिराज सिंह भी इस इशू पे आवाज उठा चुके हैं. I totally agree with Assam and UP over this issue of two-child policy, and they should brought up this kind of contract in the parliament as well. But I think these kind of contract must be unbiased, and they should not discriminate between the people on the basis of their work, their caste or community. If you like the video, do press the like button, comment down below and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do follow us on Twitter as well. Thanks for watching.